what we really know is from, especially in early childhood, that emotional literacy is one of the most important skills to learn. Being able to identify emotions, explain emotions, to regulate your own emotions, all of those. And Susan Denham, an expert in the field, has really said that this is particularly central to children's ability to interact and form relationships, to get along with others, that idea of being able to identify emotions. Can we help teachers change from a punitive mindset to an empathic mindset of teachers' misbehavior? And an empathic mindset would mean the ability to look at a student's misbehavior with empathy, with understanding what are they trying to tell me with that behavior. Maybe they're not settling into class because they're anxious, or they have something that happened at home. And so what they did is they actually got teachers to take 2 short online courses about how to change from a punitive mindset to an empathic mindset of students' misbehaviors. And they did this through stories and hearing from other teachers talking about when they use this approach. And simply by doing this very controlled study where they had half of the teachers get the empathic mindset training, the other half did not, they were able to cut suspension rates in high school by half. Social and emotional learning, or SEL, plays a critical role in sustaining and creating peaceful societies. What we know from the research is that when children receive social and emotional learning programs, that is, that they learn how to be kind, compassion, empathy, they also learn how to resolve conflicts, that they are more likely then in adulthood to get along with others, to contribute to their community.
It is absolutely, it's really important because the body functions with both brain and heart, and I feel the more we are compassionate, the more we are kind, the more we are loving in nature, the more our brain helps us, evolve as a person.
Educating the heart of the children, yes, because that's where the real change happens. If I wouldn't have been taught the way I have, I will not be here to attend this lecture because I want to make the changes. So if I can do that, it is because in my childhood I was taught, my heart was changed in the way it is now. And so if we can change the heart of so many children, our future will be safe, secure, and like a better place to live in.
To put well-being above everything else, then we need to teach them to be in charge of their own emotions, to be mindful of what they are doing at any point in time. And in order to do this, MGIEP is working towards creating curricula which children can use, which schools can use to teach social-emotional learning. 4 main competencies: mindfulness, empathy, compassion, and critical inquiry. We call this EMC square as a very primary requirement for the competencies that children need to learn. These are embedded in a new curriculum, EMC square, which is actually based on a curriculum on global citizenship.